Sir, sinabi niyo kanina kasi, huli hindi patay ang inyong magiging mantra for the operation.
Yeah.
So, ibig sabihin ba, sir, na hindi magiging madugo ang inyong kampanya ngayon dahil lahat ng kriminal huhulihin niyo po?
Lahat ng kriminal ay huhulihin natin. At sila ay buhay pag sila ay hindi lumaban. Pero pag na-endanger ang buhay ng pulis at papasok na ang Article 11 of the Revised Penal Code, which is justifying circumstances, abay ibang usapan yan. The police will always defend themselves, kaya may mga baril eh. Pero hindi yan napapasok tayo sa isang sitwasyon sa police intervention with murder in mind. No, definitely not.
Okay, thank you. On the other issue naman, sir, on the light side, sir, anong pakiramdam na kayo ang kauna-unahang graduate ng Philippine National Academy na naging PNP chief?
Hanggang ngayon, sinasampal ko pa ang sarili ko. Baka biglang mag-umaga na, pagising ko, panaginip lang pala lahat. But right now, of course, I'm very happy. I'm very humbled, and I'm very elated with the trust and confidence that was given to me by the President. But at the same time, medyo mataas ang pressure. The expectations are very high, and really, I have to make good. Otherwise, the 8,000 strong alumni of the Philippine National Police Academy will disown me. So I really have to do good and do the job properly to ensure na may pakita na tama ang pagpili ng ating presidente na bigyan na ng pagkataon ng PNPA graduates na mag-lead ng ating organisasyon.